Indian police shot and killed a criminal suspect on Friday after he reportedly tried to flee from detention. The man was wanted in the killings of 8 police officers last week. In the United States, coronavirus case numbers continue to rise. A top health expert warns that some states are reopening too soon. The Australian state of Victoria reported a new daily record of 288 coronavirus cases on Friday. And the U.S. Special Representative to North Korea joins Japanese officials in Tokyo for talks about increased tensions on the Korean peninsula.